Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Shout out to Barber Illuminati up there in Illinois. Shout out to 1+1 Barber, which is also Barber Illuminati out there in Ghana, okay? 1+1 Barber in Ghana. He is Barber Illuminati too. Y'all follow him on Instagram, okay? 1+1 Barber on Instagram. Don't forget, Barber Illuminati on Instagram. Anyways, today's video is about lighting in a barbershop. You definitely need enough lighting in a barbershop. Recently, I just added 2 fluorescent lights over my barber stations. I also use this ring light in the background. That helps out a lot. But believe me, I feel like I've been cutting in day and night. I mean, big difference just by just adding 2, fluorescent bulbs. And they not even, I mean, I didn't expect a big change at all, to be honest with you. But recently I painted my shop around COVID, it's been a year now since my shop's been painted. Before, my shop was two-tone. The upper portion of the wall was white, lower portion was like a orange type of rusty type of color. I actually like the color scheme, but I decided to switch things up. I had a lot of time on my hand during the whole COVID-19 thing, so I decided to remodel the shop. Me personally, I like it, but I went with a darker color, which in turn made my shop a little bit darker. I knew that would happen, but I thought that I had enough lighting from my window right behind the camera. I got a really big glass window, and that provides a really good light source inside the shop. And I thought it was enough light for, for the whole shop that would allow me to be able to cut and still be able to see clearly. But what I noticed is, I don't know, somewhere late afternoon before it gets dark, the lighting kind of goes bad on me. And I thought it was my eyes. I was like, man, I think I need glasses. But turns out when I added these 2 fluorescent lights, shout out to Barber Illuminati, we was just talking about that. And shout out to Miss Mika too, y'all. Miss Mika, where you at? Shout out to my boy, y'all know who I'm talking about. My little man, shout out to him, shout out to you. But anyways, when I added these 2 fluorescent bulbs, I'm telling you, it made a world of difference. So if you are in a shop and you cutting hair and you do a client's head and you like the work, it looks good. But then you turn around and see them in a different light and you're like, oh, whoa, hold on, let me touch you up a little bit. That is probably because of your light source, okay? When you change light sources, you don't always, in a certain angle, you might not always see everything. So that's why I always tell people there's no such thing as a perfect haircut. That's why you gotta walk around the chair, spin the person around the chair, take a good look, and have enough lighting in your shop. Or in your, wherever you cut hair at. I don't care if it's outside, I don't care if it's inside, I don't care if it's underground, I don't care if it's in the sky, if it's on the beach. Wherever it could be, make sure you got enough light out there, okay? Like I said, lighting is very important. If you guys got any questions, comments, or if you want to tell a story about how your lighting situation changed and you realized that it made your haircuts better or worse, go ahead and comment below. Hell, make a video, tag me in it. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram channel. That's custom_made_cuts. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to 1+1 Barber in Ghana. Shout out to Miss Mika. Shout out to my little man, okay? And shout out to all of you guys that's been subscribing to this channel. Thank you guys for showing me love. I appreciate all the love. The channel is growing. I talked to a close compadre of mine daily, and we talk about the business, okay? I'm a part of my mastermind group, and we always talk about how the channel kind of evolves on its own. So thank you guys for supporting me, and shout out to you, okay? Again, don't forget, share, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.